Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am participating in the Christmas 2018 Cozy Corner Challenge that's being hosted by Arlynn of Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim of Sweet Daisy Creations. Please be sure to check out both Arlynn's and Kim's channels, which will be linked in the description box down below, along with the playlist of the other participants when it's available. I know you'll like both of their channels and I want to thank them for hosting this. And now, without further ado, here is my Cozy Corner. For my Cozy Corner, I chose the garden window in my kitchen. Normally, I just put a little metal Christmas tree in the window and keep my other decor up, but this year I decided to carry over the penguin theme from my family room and use it in my kitchen window. And it may be a little hard for me to get good shots because of the glare from outside, but on the left hand side of my sink I have this penguin cookie jar, and inside of it I have my spool of kitchen twine that I use, not cookies. And then I have this Let It Snow sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And then on the right hand side of the sink, I have this little vignette of penguins. There's a Christmas plate in the back that is kind of clear glass. You can see through it. And I believe that came from either Costco or Pier 1. I know these two little penguin figurines came from Costco a few years ago. And then this candle, which is a balsam smelling candle from Bath & Body Works, as well as the candle stand, came from Bath & Body Works. So that is my vignette at the base of my sink. And then over the window, this is the first time I've done this, I actually added a garland. And I made this garland, and I'll show you how I did that in another video, maybe. But on the garland, I attached some little Dollar Tree ornaments. So the basis for the garland is this deco mesh. And then I added these two different ribbons from Costco. And then in the bunches in the center, I added Merry Christmas ornaments, and it's a little hard to see, but I also added some snowflake ornaments. And then I used command hooks to hold it up across the window. I put one in the middle and then one on either end. And I wanted to keep this garland very light because I wasn't sure how well the command hooks would stick to the tumbled marble that I have above the window. You can see there. So now I'll back up. You can get the overall effect of how it looks. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it will be nice and cheery when I'm standing here doing dishes. So what did you think? I decided to carry the penguin theme over into the kitchen. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that was a good idea. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you appreciated what I did. Once again, a big thank you to Arlynn and Kim for hosting this. And again, please check out the other participants. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you'll consider subscribing. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, and I love seasonal decorating. So if that interests you, then go ahead and click on the subscription button, and that way you will know when I have posted new videos. Now, I hope you will all take care, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.